Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Whatnot Randomizer. First just launch Whatnot, okay? And then all you need to do is first enable seller tools. So if you are on your mobile device, you come here at the bottom right, click on account, basically your profile icon. And then I want you to scroll down and tap on preferences. And once you have registered yourself as a seller, you should see seller tools, okay? Just go ahead and toggle on a seller tools. And then when basically you are in, so here, make sure you click on sell, okay, and register for that. And when you are basically, during a live stream or a camera preview, you just click on the three dots, like this one right here for more. And then just tap on seller tools, okay, and then choose randomizer. And you'll get different options. You'll be getting, for example, a show spin wheel will be pre-filled with options. You can shuffle entries, you can spin the wheel, okay, you can easily, start auctions and auto randomize as well. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. You just need to enable the feature. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.